How to unblock someone online. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on the Line app. First, start by opening the Line app on your phone. Next, tap the Home tab at the bottom left here. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. You can scroll down and tap on Friends right here. Tap on it. You can see blocked accounts right here. Tap on blocked accounts. And here are the blocked accounts. Now just tick mark it and you can just unplug it from here like this. You will get a confirmation like this. Tap on OK. And just like that, you unblocked BT21. Repeat the same process for next one. Tap on unblock. Tap on OK. And that's it. You have successfully unblocked the user and they can now send you messages again. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.